Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss about the Karnataka Legislative Assembly Legislative Council. This is your second chapter, final topic, fifth topic, Legislative Assembly Legislative Council. First question, what is the main function of the Legislative Assembly? Answer, to make laws for the state. How many members are there in Karnataka Legislative Assembly? There are 224 members in Karnataka Legislative Assembly. What is the majority required in the Legislative Assembly to form a government? 1/3. How are the members of the Legislative Assembly elected? Directly by the people. How many years is the term of the members of the Legislative Assembly? The term is 5 years. Who is the head of the Legislative Assembly? Speaker. Who is the current Speaker of Karnataka? UT Khadar. Who is the power to dissolve the Legislative Assembly? Governor has the power to dissolve the Assembly. How many members are there in Karnataka Legislative Council? 75 members. How many years in the term of members of Legislative Council? There is 6 years. Who is the president of the Karnataka Legislative Council? Basavaraj Horatti. How are the members of the Legislative Council elected? Indirectly elected. How many per year members of the Legislative Council retire? 1/3 persons retires from the Legislative Council. So these are the important questions comes under Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. In the next video we will meet with third unit. Thank you.